Joy Gurudev. One Seshpal ji has sent a very interesting question regarding Rudraksh, so we will be discussing it today. He has said that I take non-veg and wine, so can I wear Rudraksh? So I'm talking about Shiv Puran now. In Shiv Puran, Lord Shiva says that while eating non-veg, while drinking wine, alcohol, while taking any kind of intoxicants, while eating tamasic food like raw onion, raw garlic, you must avoid wearing Rudraksh. And while taking a dead body to the cremation ground, you must not wear Rudraksh. Now in the same Shiv Puran, Lord Shiva says that wear Rudraksh everywhere, also wear it in the cremation ground. I'll explain this in a very scientific way. Please give proper attention to this because it is a very interesting and a very important question. First of all, what is Rudraksh? Rudraksh is you can say a magical bead, a living magical bead, because it is not dead like a stone. It is not non-living. So the macro surface of the Rudraksh that you see stores ultrasonic rays and ultrasonic sounds in it. And it stays calm. It doesn't work. It stays calm till it is not needed to work. When you're wearing a stone, you see I'm not wearing any stones. When you are wearing a stone, it does not know how much energy to put and when to put, when not to put. It keeps on putting that energy inside your body. Now when you are wearing a Rudraksh, it stays calm, and when you are tired, when you are sick, when you are scared, when you are sad, that time the pattern of your breath changes. When the pattern of your breath changes, the vibrations and the sensations both in your body, they change. And Rudraksh reads that vibrations and sensations and then starts pumping in the positive energy within you via those ultrasonic rays and ultrasonic sounds which are settled in the macro surface of Rudraksh. Now each macro surface, like the macro surface of one mukhi, macro surface of two mukhi, macro surface of three mukhi, are different. If you see all the three mukhis, the macro surfaces will be almost similar, and the macro surfaces of all 21 mukhis will be similar. So they carry, they absorb, they store different types of 21 different types of energies within themselves. Okay? And Gauri Shankar, Ganpati, Savar Ganesh, they store different types of energies within them. So when you are wearing this Rudraksh, it is calm. But when your body sensations and vibrations change because of the pattern of the breath changing, they pump in energy and they bring you back to your normal state. So it is said that you must not exchange Rudraksh with someone. Today you are wearing, tomorrow someone else is wearing, third day someone else is wearing, and different people wearing different Rudraksh is not good for you. Okay? So what you must do is, first time when you wear Rudraksh, you have to perform Shiv Puja. You must keep it on the Shivlingam, do the Abhishek, and with happy mind, healthy body, and a very calm state of mind, you must wear this Rudraksh. So that will be your zero state or your DNA. Rudraksh will study your zero state and will help you to be in the zero state throughout. Whenever there is stress, anxiety, fear, anger, sorrow, lust, it will bring you back to your state zero, which is happiness, healthiness. Now, my state zero might be different from your state zero. You might be a government officer, you need to behave in a different way. You might be a businessman, you need to behave in a different way. You might be an employee, you might be a policeman. You have to behave in a different way as per your profession. So Rudraksh studies this profession of yours. So, when you are having onion, garlic, intoxicants, or medicines which are steroids, or when you are eating non-veg, or you are taking alcohol, which are intoxicants, of course, or you are having sex, your desires, your state of breath and mind is so intense that the small Rudraksh and the small ultrasonic rays and sounds which are stored in it cannot bring you back to state zero. So Rudraksh is a very intelligent being, as I have told you. Rudraksh thinks that you have stopped wearing this Rudraksh and someone else is wearing it. And the zero state of that person is this angry or lustful or fearful or full of anxiety or full of stress or full of tension. And this is the zero state of that person, and I will keep that person in this state forever. So if you wear Rudraksh being angry for the first time, being lustful for the first time, being intoxicated, being unaware, because when you are intoxicated, you are unaware, or being angry or stressed or anxiety, and whatever is your blood pressure, your zero state, your DNA, Rudraksh will make sure that you be in that state forever. That is the reason why you must not wear Rudraksh when you are angry, when you are lustful, when you are intoxicated, when you are unhappy, when you are unwell. So, Lord Shiva says that first time when you are wearing Rudraksh, you energize it, keep it on the Shivlingam, do Abhishek on it. We have energized the Rudraksh which we are sending it to you. You do Abhishek on it, and with a very, very, very calm mind, happy mind, healthy body, and peaceful soul, you wear that Rudraksh. While you are eating non-veg, while you are having intoxicants, while you are having sex, while you are sleeping in the night, in all these cases, you remove the Rudraksh. After that act is completed, after you have eaten non-veg, after you are done with having alcohol or intoxicants, after you have finished copulation, after that you can wear it. What do? I remove it in the night, and in the morning after my bath, when everything is over, I again wear it. Again, ultrasonic sound, ultrasonic rays, and ultrasonic smell is stored inside this. So when you are going to toilet, number 2, or when you are going to a place which is smelling filthy, there also you must not wear Rudraksh. So Lord Shiva says when the Apan Vayu is going down, that is when you are in the toilet, when you are doing toilet, when you are having sex, when you are eating non-veg, when your Kundalini is flowing down, Apan Vayu is flowing down, non-veg intoxicants, when you are taking someone to the dead body to the cremation ground, you are unhappy, you are feeling the burden, you are feeling sad, someone has died who is very close, and so you are accompanying that person to the cremation ground, to the graveyard. At that time, you must not wear Rudraksh. So I think we have discussed this before, but because of this question being important, we have repeated it for Shri Shyam Singh. Hari Om. That's it.